Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 64,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.